Why am I so shy all of a sudden? I could do this the last 2 times. What's up? It's Friday. Congratulations, you made it through the week.
You don't judge me, 'cause if you did, baby, I think you do. 'Cause I got issues, but you got them too. So give them all to me and I'll give mine to you. Yeah, I got issues, and one of them is how bad I need you.
Today I'm going to be showing you the recipe to the world's best smoothie. I mean, probably not the actual world's, but yeah, you know what? It's the world's best smoothie. I came up with this recipe on my own. I'm sure like there's people in this world who like have done this recipe, but one day I was like, let's just try this mixture. And let me tell you, it was so good. So that's why I decided I'm going to make a recipe video. I love this smoothie. I drink it probably every day, almost every day. And the plus side to this is it's healthy. Let's just get into the recipe. Ingredients you will need are a blender, frozen mangoes, lemon juice, fresh raspberries, and some water. So these are your handy dandy ingredients. So first things first, you take your mangoes and you pour them into the blender, obviously. You should probably use a little more than I did, but that's all I have left in this bag, so it'll have to do. Next, you will take your fresh raspberries and dump them into your blender. Next, you will take your lemon juice and pour a little bit in. Don't put too much or else it'll be way too strong. That should be good. And finally, you add your water. And then you blend.
Welcome to the smoothie bar with juicy fruits, oh yes we are. We don't need money or fast cars, 'cause we're living in a smoothie bar.
If you don't like how it looks or how much there is in there, you can always add more fruits. You can just add a little bit more of everything, or if it's too thick, add a little more water. Or if it's not lemony enough, or like if you can't taste the lemon, add more lemon juice, or you can even add more fruit, doesn't matter. And then you take your glass. Finally, you pour your smoothie into your cup. And voila! You have your smoothie. This part is optional. To make smoothies a little more fun and feel more smoothie-like, I like to add a straw. So I mix it up and there you go. Mango, raspberry, lemon smoothie. And now I can go eat my turkey bacon that's cooking over there. And we're back to the outro. I hope you liked the recipe. I hope you tried it at home. Comment down below if you tried it and if you like it. Or send me a picture to either one of these Twitters, here or here. Thanks for watching. Comment down below requests of videos. If you just want to see me and Kyrie do together, or videos you just want me to do. Give the video a like, subscribe. It's down here or down here. And yeah. I will see you next Friday with another Funky Friday. I don't know if I like that honestly, but you know, it's 3 videos and it's still standing strong. Roll into the bloopers. I don't know what I'm saying. Is it recording? And so when you make this, don't do that with your water. Maybe plop a couple in your mouth. Long hair struggles. Want to see my turkey bacon?
Baby, gonna make